Hi, and welcome to another edition of Lee's Thoughts. And today, another vendor sent me a product. This is a free product. This is a paid review. Let's get right to the product, shall we? Today we have 2 table lamps. These would be like bedside table lamps, things of that nature. So let's open these up and see what we have, shall we?
Not just cut the box instead. What's that noise?
That is there. Try to get these lamps out of here without putting this styrofoam all over my house. So I don't know what I have to say about the packaging. Efficient, but very, very nice. I'm going to do the same thing here. I don't seem silly, but take this off. So then we are going to twist this on like so. Put your light bulb in. Before you go to all the prospect to put it on, just go ahead and give it a test. Works. And then these go right in here. The flat part, this flat part goes right inside here. And you just put that little clamp down. And you put the lamp shade on. This screws on top. So we've got the bulb installed, and it can have 3 different colors. This is your white light. Turn it off. You have a nice amber tone light, and then you have a nice glow, a warm light. So you can have 3 different types of light. It does have 2 USB ports in here for charging. If you had it by your bedside or on a end table in your living room, it will charge your phones for you. It's a very attractive light, I'd say. Go ahead and get it. The only thing that I would say that is maybe a negative about it is the packaging is a little much, but it did come back. It did come in one piece, so maybe it's good. And I would say, if anybody's ever watched my things, I would say the instructions leave a little bit to be desired. The instructions are not fantastic, but beautiful lamp, and the 3 different colors. Very nice. I would say go out and get yourself this lamp. Very nice. And it comes in a set of 2.